Hello guys, it's me again, Pita from Hope Design Studio. I teach non-designers to create quick, simple, and better graphics. Because of popular request on my channel, today I will give you a tutorial about how to mock up your Canva design without using Photoshop. There are a lot of mockup creator websites out there that allow you to drag and drop your designs. But I understand that sometimes you may want to have more flexibility than those sites offer. Oh guys, if you don't know yet, since last month I officially become a Canva creator, one who makes templates for Canva. Please follow my account so you can get updates whenever I post a new set of templates. First of all, let's search for PSD files. PSD is an editable Photoshop file. However, it can also be opened using another software like Procreate, Affinity Photo, or in this case, I will use Photopea.com to edit that PSD file. There are a lot of websites that provide free PSD mockup files like Behance.net, mockupworld.co, freemockup.com, but today I will look for it on freepik.com. Let's search for pouch mockup. This mockup looks beautiful here. I will use this one. Oh, as you can see, if you scroll down, Freepik will give you suggestions for similar mockup. You may want to use it if you want to keep your branding on point. Let's download this. While we download this file, let's go to Photopea.com. This is a free web-based Photoshop alternative. I find it suitable for a simple project like this. Oh, you may want to close another tab because depends on your browser and file size, it might consume a large amount of RAM. Once your file is downloaded, extract it and then let's open it using Photopea by clicking Open from Computer. Don't forget to select the PSD file. As you can see in the layer panel here, this mockup file contains a few layers. Although the designer might name the layers differently, usually PSD mockup files are structured like this. Background layer, base layer, in this case these pouches, adjustment layer, in this case for color and lighting adjustment, and smart object to place your design. But what is a smart object exactly? To put it simply, imagine it as a flexible container where we put layers, photos, or design elements or anything inside it. Whatever adjustment we do at the outside of the container, like adding a color filter, adding blur, resize it to be as tiny as possible, the content inside of the container remains the same. It goes another way around. Like any changes we make inside that container, it won't affect the outside layers. That's why Smart Object is a great tool to preserve photo resolution and also to make a mock-up like this. Let's get back to our mockup file. Double-click the Smart Object. It will be opened in a new Photopea tab. Click File, Open and Place, and then select your design. Oh, it's already in the correct dimension. Now press Ctrl S to save the Smart Object. And then close this tab. Ta-da! Let's do it once again. Double click, File, open and place, Ctrl S, then close this tab. Super easy, isn't it? Now let's change the pouch color. Double-click at the color layer. Select the color to your liking. I'm going to use random colors here. Let's change the background color. And the lighting as well. Use the eye icon to hide and show layers, like to identify which layer we currently work on. I'm going to reduce the highlight and shadow by clicking the layer and then reduce the fill and opacity. Once you like the design, click File and then Export. There's a couple of settings here, you can choose as you wish. Now let's make another mockup, but right now we're doing it in Photoshop. Both Photoshop's and Photopea's interfaces are very similar. The process is still the same. Double-click the smart object, load the design. I'm going to drag and drop it. Save and close. Double-click this layer to change the pouch color. Let's change the background color as well. I'm going to match it with the design, so I use the eyedropper tool. I just pressed I to activate it. Now reduce the highlight and shadow. Okay, let's save the design as JPEG. You can also export it, however, I found that saving is quicker than exporting. This is the mockup I created on Photopea, and this is from Photoshop. I don't find any difference in terms of quality. Oh, usually the printing and packaging company has a common or standardized size for labels and something like pouches. So you can make your design based on that. If not, you can always download your mockup first, then double-click the smart object, then go to image size to know your label's dimension, and then create a design based on that. You absolutely can create it on Canva. I know that not everyone can afford the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription fee because it's indeed expensive. If you're a Chromebook user or just starting out or not offering professional graphic design service, but want to design using an advanced editor for free, I think Photopea is a really great alternative. Okay, that's a wrap. See you guys soon and don't forget to exercise. Bye bye.